What are we calling it though?
Calling what?
What's our thing?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Like what? This is. As a disclaimer, this video is made for people who have never done anything like this before. If you have done something like this, cool. Don't comment under the video talking about how stupid it is. This is for people who have never done it before.
Yeah, so enjoy.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to properly lift up a car and take off a tire.
Yeah.
You can do it totally safe. What you're going to need a four-way. Loosen the tires up, obviously take the lug nuts off. Jack stands and a jack to pick the car up properly, make sure it's safe. So, what you want to do first, before you start trying to pick the car up, you want to loosen all the lug nuts on the tire so that when you pick it up, the tire doesn't spin as you're trying to take them off. Find the right size. Not the right size yet. There we go. Alright. Now all the lug nuts are loose. Now you can go pick the car up. So, under every vehicle, there'll be a spot, some kind of square or some kind of frame rail, where you pick the vehicle up. You have to pick the vehicle up from that spot, because if you don't, you risk damaging the underside of the car. Specifically on my car, right here. And you always want to watch it as you're picking it up, just to make sure it doesn't shift. Because if it shifts, then it can bend something. And then you just pick it up until the tire is off of the ground. Because if the tire's not off of the ground, you can't take the tire off, obviously. Tire off the ground. Now that you have the vehicle jacked up, you set a jack stand under it. Because if you don't set a jack stand under it, your jack can depress. We're just taking the tire off, so it's not a huge deal. But if you're going to crawl up under the vehicle, always put a jack stand. And then I lower the vehicle just a little bit onto the jack stand. Hold on. And you have to adjust your jack stand depending on how high you're picking it up, obviously. Now she's seated safe. This isn't going anywhere. You can push the car. She's safe. Then you come over to the tire. You loosen all the lug nuts off. And then you just pull her off.
I'm mad at myself, bro.
What?
Because I didn't do this horizontally. I did it vertically. So this first one's, it'll work, but it'll be like, half the screen, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You live and you learn, that's all.
First video problems.
Yeah.
So, once the tire is off, you do whatever you need to do under here. You go on and put it back on. You want to pick the tire up. This is the difficult part. You got to make sure it's aligned with the studs. And then you always want to push against it to push it up against the rotor. And then I always, for good measure, tighten one down to hold the tire on the rim. Hold the tire onto the rotor. So that now you don't have to hold on it or lean on it or anything like that. And you could safely walk away from this vehicle right now without the risk of the tire falling off or something. You want to hand tighten all of the nuts on there to make sure that the rim is seated all the way against the rotor before you set it on the ground. And you don't torque it or tighten it when it's up in the air like this. You want the weight under the vehicle before you go to tighten it all the way down. And sometimes you have to push on the rim at the corners where the lug nuts are so that it pushes it all the way against the rotor. Now this is all the way against the rotor, it doesn't move. Now I set it on the ground. Come over here to your jack. To loosen the jack stand, you can either pick it all the way up off of the jack stand or just pick it up enough where you can pop this lever and it drops the jack stand down. And then you slowly lower the vehicle all the way down. Now once she's on the ground, you're going to tighten all the lug nuts. Don't forget to do that. When you're tightening the lug nuts, you want to do what's called a star pattern to make sure that it tightens the correct way. If you have a 4 lug, it'll be like drawing a star, but you only have 4 points. If you have a 5 lug, it's a full star. If you have 6 or 8, you just adjust it that way. So I'm going to start over here. Oh, too big. So that's one corner. Then I'm going to go across, tighten this one. That's another one. I'm going to come down, tighten this one. And go up top. And then the final one here. And for good measure, I always give it one more pump in a circle, just to make sure each one of them are tight. And that's how you pick up a tire and take it off. Alright, so today I showed you how to take off a tire on this specific car, 94 Mustang. It applies to every car though, works the same way. Might be different spots with the lug nuts or less lug nuts. Still the same basis. And yeah, tune in next time.